Let's take a quick tour of your Buffer account settings. We're going through this today so you know exactly which account customizations are at your fingertips. First up is the Profile tab. Here you can update your name, email, or password, set a backup email for important correspondence, enable two-factor authentication, or even delete your account if needed. Next is Preferences. This is where you'll set your account time zone. Important because it'll apply to all of your newly connected social channels. Down at the bottom, you'll pick your default posting action. This will be the pre-selected scheduling option that shows up each time you compose a post. Let's hop down to email notifications. Want to get emails when someone sends a post for approval or rejects approval for your post? Turn on your collaboration notifications. You can also choose to receive payment email notifications or even a notification when a post fails. Under General, you can set your organization name. This can be really helpful for the users on your team. If you're leaving your team and want to change ownership, you can do that here as well. You might already be familiar with your channels area, where you can add, remove, or refresh channels at any time. Similarly, in the team section, you can add, remove, or update your teammates' user permissions. Dropping just below, you'll head to Billing when you want to change your plan, update your payment method, or download receipts. Now, for some powerful feature settings that might feel a little less familiar. The Tags area lets you add, remove, and edit the tags you see in your Composer dropdown so you can continue to organize and check insights on your campaigns. Your channel groups are also found in your Composer, but this is where you'll create, edit, and delete them. Channel groups allow you to select multiple channels with only one click. This feature is most helpful if you manage multiple brands or have a collection of channels to which you share the same content. Saved replies make it even faster to respond to your followers in the Community tab, allowing you to save pre-written messages for common questions. A few more settings to look through. Under Apps and Extras, you can install the Buffer extension, mobile apps, and manage third-party app connections. The Beta Features tab is extra special because it's your portal to the latest and greatest Buffer features. By opting into our beta program, you'll be one of our first customers to access our newest features and share feedback to help shape them. Lastly, check out the Refer a Friend tab for your unique invite link to share Buffer with others. That's it! A quick walkthrough, but there's a lot of power packed into your settings. Dive in and tailor Buffer to work just the way you like. If you need help at any time, click on the question mark in the lower right-hand corner of your dashboard or from the Help Center.